Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
अशें पळोवपाक गेल्यार तर आमकां परमिशन घेवपाक कांयच ना, म्हणल्यार 14 ते 18 म्हयने लागता सगळ्यो परमिशन घेवन आमी एक्चुअली काम चालू करता म्हणल्यार. I will just give you an example of the electricity department. See, we pay a infrastructure tax to the government. The definition of this infrastructure tax is that the government, in return for this taxation, will provide us with the services required to operate a building. आता जाता कितें, the infrastructure tax goes to a general pool account. If you go to the department, they say we are not able to access these funds. Then they say that if you want electricity, you please provide for the infrastructure. So it is upon the developer to provide for the transformer, the substation, the connection from the line to his property. This is one aspect. Over and above this, the department charges us 15% of supervision fee when we are doing everything. हाज्या भायल्यान आमकां हे कनेक्शन घेवपाक पंचायत आणि म्युनिसिपालिटीची एनओसी लागता, आणि हे सगळे घेवन सुद्धा फायल मागीर मिनिस्टराकडे वता. हाका कितलो वेळ लागता आणि कितको टाइम लागता आणि कितले पैसे लागता ते तुम्हीच विचार करा रे. जी गोष्ट आमकां हक्कान 15 म्हयन्याभरान 2 म्हयन्याभरान मेळपाक जाय ती केन्ना केन्ना 4-5 म्हयने सुद्धा मेळना, 6 म्हयने सुद्धा मेळना. The same situation is with water supply. We are an industry where we contribute almost 25 to 27% of our collections in taxes to the government. We are paying GST, we are paying stamp duty and registration fees. We are paying labor cess, we are paying infrastructure tax, we are paying development charges. And at the end of it, we create assets for people who then start paying house tax to the local governing bodies. So this is an industry which is continuously generating revenue for the government, and still we are at the receiving end. Definitely, we are definitely suffering because of the corruption. There is no doubt about it. Next, in case things do not improve, the next recourse left to us is to approach the law, approach the judiciary for relief in this, because there are so many circulars which the government has issued which are completely arbitrary and illegal in nature. So if the government doesn't turn around on this, our next step is that we will be approaching the judiciary for reprisal of this type of